A tourism cooperation zone on the border between China and Vietnam has seen a cross-border travel boom since it started trial operation in September this year. The Chinese section of the China-Vietnam Detian Waterfall Cross-Border Tourism Cooperation Zone is located in the border city of Chongzuo in China's Guangxi.
9月15号运营到今天的话呢，我们接待的话，中国团队的话是96个团队，然后接待人数呢达到1000人，然后接待越南团队的话呢是165个团队，接待人数的话呢也是达到2600人左右。
During the trial operation, tourists holding passports and exit entry permits from the two countries are allowed to enter the zone.
这个旅游合作区，然后呢，也是这个吸引了非常多的商家以及游客来游览，那为我们当地的这个经济发展也做出了非常大的一个贡献，也包括呢为两国的这个人民的一个友谊理解，做出了这个非常好的一个加强，增强了两国的一个友好的关系。
After the one-year trial period ends, facilities will be further improved, business models enriched, and discussions held based on the results of cooperation and market demand. The Detian Waterfall is the biggest cross-border waterfall in Asia.